In the playlist linked below the like button, we've talked about while loops, do while loops, and for loops before. Not nested loops, but this is a new topic. So if you want more information on those, check that out. But this is going to be which loop to use, when should we use it. Well, the while loop is a conditional loop, which means it repeats as long as a particular condition exists. It's a pretest loop, and it's ideal for situations where you don't want the loop to iterate if the condition is false from the beginning. The do while loop is a little bit different. It's still a conditional loop, but it's a post-test loop, and it's ideal in situations where you always want the loop to iterate at least once. It's a good choice for a menu, for example. You want to display some prompt or something and then allow the user to respond, and it can repeat or go into different sections, whatever have you. This is great for a do while loop. The for loop is a pretest loop that has built-in expressions for initializing, testing, and updating. You do this all in the header. It's very convenient to use a counter variable to control the number of iterations that the loop performs. The initialization expression will test the counter variable to determine whether it holds the max value, and the updated expression can increment the counter value. The counter value is going to be what is made in the initialization stage and what's updated in the updated part. It's ideal in situations where the number of iterations is known. Nested loops are basically loops inside of loops, just like nested if statements, but with loops. You can go on forever with these. That's pretty much it for our little section on loops. Next, we'll look at files for data storage. It's pretty cool. That'll be in the playlist below. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, leave a comment. Let me know.